Before I got started with this video, I just want to tell y'all that in the middle of me trying to edit the video, I was moving files over and I messed up and I deleted over half of them. I was only left with 3 clips, so it's not going to be as much as I wanted to. But sorry for the inconvenience, but I still wanted to go ahead and post this video because part 2 is going to be a whole lot better. Part 2, Taylor's going to have the transmission rebuilt. Then he's going to use the hand controls in there, so he'll be able to drive it and end up racing it. But there's going to be a whole lot more there. I'm going to actually do some more actual body work, paint work, paint corrections and stuff with polishing. Hopefully, y'all guys will enjoy the video.
I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, said I was raised in the days of MySpace and screen names. Back then when I was only worried about my top friends. Now my circle is getting smaller, all these people acting fake, man. And to be honest, I don't even have a top 10. Me against the world, I've been doing what I really love. Haters been hiding behind the screen, man, they movie cuts. And when I'm back at home, it never feels the same, cause we've been doing our own thing, trying to stay up. I wanna go back to days with no grades. We ordered the kids meal, play ball, that's all day now. I'm stuck looking at this Instagram page, but these likes on my picture don't result in getting paid now. I've been wondering where the party at, cause all of my concerns got me wondering where they got the Bacardi at. So go and pour another drink just to get away. We gotta live it up, Carolina here to stay.
I'm hoping I won't let you go. I left my heart in the city. But soon enough I'll hold you close. It's alright, yeah.
Well, wash now. Looks a whole, got all the pawn and stuff on, looks real good and clean. Got that WFO Racing license plate. So as soon as you get the transmission done and a little bit of testing, we're racing it, right?
Yeah.
Finally. Heck yeah.
Gotta get used to it though.
I tried. Here we go. Red interior.
If I'm not mistaken, has 81,000 miles.
Mine's got, I think ours got 80. Ha!
Wow,
1,000 less. Okay. Dang! Y'all put a bunch on there. I think so, and also we're about to get all the soap out of it.
Oh wait, battery's down there. Battery's not hooked
You
up.
gotta turn it on.
Forget. You gotta put the battery on the back. Or downside's.
Oh, I thought you said you got the hand controls in there.
No, not yet.
Okay.
We gotta get the transmission.
Okay. All over my legs.
That's a small key. See the headlights
All right.
pop up for a minute?
No, I didn't. Well, now I actually got the mic in.
Oh, you want me to turn it back?
As if it's okay with Taylor. Turn it on.
I'm not doing it all the way.
Yes, sir. Sounding pretty. All right, now time to do a little bit more paint correction to it. See,
That wasn't even full throttle.
actually it's hard seeing the video.
2.5 to 3.
Here we go. That's where we got all that purple marks in the paint. I'll try to get that out. And it's very faded back here on the bumper, as you can see. Got the gloss there. I've already did some paint correction back over here because there was some scratches in it right there, and I got them out, so it's shined up. The rest of it should look like this, but it looks like that. We're good about to get that fixed. All right, let's go get started before it gets too dark.